Hi guys, so today's inspirational quote is about your destiny. Hardship often prepare ordinary people to become extraordinary people. So no matter how things are for you right now, be sure that life is preparing you for something great and extraordinary.
Hi! Now police are the call now. Police. Bright, you're supposed to go jail for this quote.
What do you mean?
This is your biggest scam. So hardship, they prepare. So those who die for hardship, life deceive them. No, life scam them. So people when they suffer, now me they wait on your quote because something extraordinary they come. Yes, they're going to have an extraordinary burial. Life is preparing those suffering with hardship now for a very, very great burial. So the family will arrest you later because they go tell you, say, now your quote that they wait for when they suffer.
That's not what I'm talking about.
That's what they're saying now. That's what they're saying. Hardship is preparing them for a great burial. Oh, Bright, why? People suffering, please don't listen to this quote. Oh.